So guys, I just woke up and it's currently 11:28. Tapos na ako mag-freshen up. So for now guys, I'm gonna pack my bag and then I'll fix my uniform. And after that, I'm gonna do my makeup. So yeah. So ngayon guys, I'm gonna do my makeup na. And as you can see, yung hair ko right now is very slayable. Hindi na kami pwede masyadong mag-civilian guys kasi meron na kaming uniform. This is what it looks like guys. Ayan yung uniform namin. It's giving Sailor Moon. Anyway guys, yung ginamit kong pangkulot is yung automatic hair curler. Ililink ko na lang down below. And also guys, yung skin prep na ginamit ko for today is itong Numbazin. Ayan guys, nagamit ko na rin to before. And as you can see, paubos na siya. Kaya ko siya ginagamit kasi nakaka-brighten up siya ng face. So this is my makeup bag pala guys. So dito nakalagay yung mga makeup na ginagamit ko for school. So ayan. So first maglalagay muna ako guys ng foundation. And I'll be using this one from Focallure. This is in the shade YL02. Ayan siya guys. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit lately. Ang ganda kasi ng finish niya guys. Nagmamadali na ako guys kasi yung oras ng pasok namin is 3. Pero kailangan makarating ako doon ng 2:40 kasi bawal late doon sa subject namin. And actually guys, nag-start yung first day namin August 27 ata. Ganun, mga ganun. August 21. Ganun nag-start yung class namin. Pero guys, hindi ako nakapag-film ng first day of school kasi guys, laging suspended dito sa Philippines. And laging bumabagyo. So, hindi ako makapag-film talaga, guys. Super bad ng quality lately. Anyway, guys, I'm currently a sophomore. So, for those who didn't know, I'm taking BSBA Marketing. I'm on my 2nd year na, guys, and I'm doing good naman. So, ayun. Share ko lang. Kasi dami nagtatanong sa inyo, guys, minsan sa IG story ko, kung ano yung course ko and anong year na ako. Favorite ko to ginagamit kasi hindi siya sobrang OA sa face. Perfect siya for everyday din. So, since marami nga kaming suspension, guys, last month, puro suspension kasi sunod-sunod as in, and hindi ako makapag-film. Meron na kami mga subjects, guys, na may mga activities na. So, hindi talaga ako nakapaggawa ng back to school. Nag-try ako mag-film ng first day of school. Pero, guys, wala kaming teacher. Sobrang gulo ng section namin that time. So, naiba pa yung section namin. So, hindi ko na lang tinuloy yung vlog kasi hassle siya and sobrang messy. So, this is what it looks like, guys, on my skin. As you can see, match naman siya sa skin tone ko. Hindi ako masyadong nagmamakapal na makeup for school and especially when I'm using my uniform kasi hindi siya bagay, guys. Hindi siya nagko-complement. So, I'm gonna do a very light, simple makeup. Anyway, guys, nagpalit ako ng color ng brows. So, yung ginagamit ko ng shade is yung 02 ng Focallure. Ito, guys. Ayan. Yung usual ko pa yung ginagamit. Pero nagpalit ako ng shade. Kasi yung before is 03 yung ginagamit ko. So, ngayon nag-02 ako. So, binabagay ko kasi siya, guys, sa hair ko. Hindi ko naman ginagamit yung 03 as of the moment. Kasi nga, iba na yung hair color ko. So, share ko lang, guys. Hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-lunch. Kasi minsan, nagagahol talaga ako. Kasi minsan, late ako nagigising. To be honest, late talaga ako nagigising. Kahit afternoon class pa. Kasi, minsan, tambak kami ng gawain. And inaabot ako ng madaling araw. Ganyan. And, sobrang pangit ng sleeping routine ko. As you can see, guys, nag-match yung brows ko with my hair colors. So, now, maglalagay na ako ng eyeshadow. I'll be using this palette, guys. This is the Flower Nose. Actually, guys, pinadalan pala ako ng pink flash ng mga new brushes. And sobrang gaganda, guys. Color pink siya, guys. Wait lang. Let me show you. Super cute. Super cute niya, guys. And pink siya lahat. That's why I like it. Meron silang mga binigay na new lip gloss. Ayan. It's giving Road lip gloss. It's pink, guys. And it's super cute. So, I'm gonna use this din mamaya. So, life update as a sophomore marketing girly. So, I'm doing good naman, guys. Actually, hindi pa siya ganun kahirap guys kasi prelim pa lang naman namin. Pero guys, marami na kaming activities and more on major subjects na talaga na fit for marketing yung mga subject namin. Like yung professional salesmanship, yun. And actually guys, na-enjoy ko siya talaga as in. Nagagamit ko siya with my career. Mas nadadagdagan guys yung knowledge ko as a content creator, as an influencer. Mas nadadagdagan yung marketing skills ko, yung knowledge ko about this field. So, ayun, na-enjoy ko naman siya. Sana yung mga grades ko this school year is puno lagi. So, I'm manifesting it, guys. Kasi nung first year, I'm always on the dean's list. So, sana ganun pa rin until now. So, marami palang nag-aasa inyo, guys, if mahirap ba yung course na to. Actually, guys, wala namang madaling course or subjects sa mga napili talaga nating courses. Sa mga different field, wala namang madaling subject. So, I can't say na madali siya kasi may mga times na mahirap siya, guys. So, ang ginagawa ko is lagi akong nag-a-advance reading. So, yun yung ginagawa ko, guys. Yung first year ako, guys, up until now, yun pa rin yung ginagawa ko. Lagi ako nag-a-advance reading or nag-research online ng mga magiging topics namin for this SEM. And guys, kapag examination namin, ang ginagawa ko kasi is nagba-blurting ako. If you're not familiar with blurting, magbabasa ka ng textbook or reviewer, something like that. Then, after mo siya mabasa ng ilang minutes, siguro mga 5 minutes, you will take down notes ng mga things na naalala mo from that reviewer. Sa akin, guys, effective kasi siya kasi naaalala ko talaga siya. And mas nagpa-function yung utak ko kapag tinitake down notes ko siya. So, ang ginagawa ko din pag examination namin or pag may quiz, gumagawa ko ng sarili kong question and quiz, guys, para ma-refresh na yung utak ko. So, gumagawa ko ng mga ganun, guys, para ma-familiarize ako with the question or sa sagot, kung saan siya dapat isagot. It depends pa rin naman sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung gusto nyong technique for reviewing. Kung ano yung nag-work sa inyo, guys, yun yung gawin nyo. Or kung saan kayo masanay, yun yung gawin nyo. It's not hard to try a different technique sometimes. So, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap. If you want to try it, try nyo yung blurting, guys. Basa kayo ng textbook for or reviewer for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then, after that, gawa kayo ng quiz nyo, i-take down notes nyo sa isang paper or gawa kayo ng sarili nyong reviewer. And yung mga scores ko last year, napa-perfect ko siya. So, sana ganun pa rin up until now. Since mas mahirap na yung subject namin. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko, guys, para ma-maintain yung grade ko. If I'm being real with you guys, ang pinaka nahirapan akong subject is yung business law ng first year, guys. Sobrang sumasakit ang ulo ko din, guys, sa business law. Kasi puro law yun about business. It's about contract and agreements, guys, and obligations. Pero, guys, kahit mahirap siya, meron siyang effect sa akin. Kasi nagagamit ko siya ngayon. Yung knowledge na nakuha ko sa business law, nagagamit ko siya ngayon. If I'm working with brands, nagagamit ko siya. So, may mga brands kasi, guys, na late nagbabayad. Napag-aralan namin yon. And then, nagagamit ko siya ngayon. Napipay na ako on time. Ganyan, share ko lang. Kasi nakikita ko rin sa TikTok, guys, na yung may mga brands talaga na super late magbayad. And na-experience ko din siya. Yung ginagamit kong contour powder is ito, SO01 ng Focallure. And guys, as you can see, gamit na gamit ko siya kasi super favorite ko talaga to. Lagi niyo naman siya nakikita sa vlogs ko. Doon na ba ako sa chika ko kanina? Nakalimutan ko, guys. So, yun yung problem din sa akin minsan. Kaya kailangan kong basahin ng basahin or gumawa ng sariling reviewer. Kasi minsan, guys, hindi enough sa akin yung ina-explain lang ng professor. Kasi, guys, nakakalimutan ko siya as in. Parang pag hindi ko siya inaral talaga ng sarili ko, makakalimutan ko siya. Kaya ganun yung ginagawa ko. And it works well naman on me. It still depends on you, guys. Kung saan kayo mas comfy when it comes to studying or reviewing. Tuloy nyo lang kung ano yung ginagawa nyo. Pero guys, kung gusto nyo i-try, I promise you guys, it's worth it. Kasi it's working on me. So, if same ka sa akin, you can do the blurting method. So, since I'm done na with my contour, maglalagay na ako ng blush, guys. So, favorite kong pinag-mix itong shade na to dito sa aking DIY palette from Focallure and yung 05 Dreamy Season ng Flower Nose. Pinag-mix ko sila. Ito yung sa Focallure na shade. And this one is from Flower Nose. Ito yung Swan Ballet series. Ayan siya, guys. As you can see, guys, similar lang yung shade nila. Mas lighter lang to. So, pag titingnan mo sila in person, halos similar lang. So, ayan. Pinagmimix ko lang silang dalawa. And then, I'm gonna blend it. Yung ginagamit kong brush, guys, is from Style to, ha. Kasi ito yung OG kong brushes kasi sobrang lambot nito sa skin. And then, kinoconnect ko siya dito. Ayan. Kinoconnect ko siya dito sa aking eyeshadow. Hindi ko in-expect, guys, na ganito yung itsura ng bago naming uniform. Share ko lang yung thoughts ko. It's giving pang kinder talaga, to be honest. Lagi ako, guys, nasasabihin na parang Sailor Moon yung uniform namin. Kasi nga, mukha talaga siyang pang Sailor Moon. And the color combination pa, it's giving Sailor Moon talaga. So, guys, if interested talaga kayo sa business field, sa marketing stuff, I recommend BSBA course. So, sobrang broad ng opportunities na makukuha mo sa marketing. If you're taking this course, I can say na worth it naman siya. Magagamit at magagamit mo yung knowledge na makukuha mo dito, guys. So, I don't get the hate sa marketing course. So, for me, guys, hindi naman problem sa akin yung schools. If you have an opportunity na mag-aral sa university, go for it. Kasi iba pa rin talaga yung kapag nasa university ka. Pero guys, kung ano yung kaya nyo, or kung saan kayo mas comfortable, then go for it. Wala namang masama sa school. Wala namang masama kung hindi ka sa university or what. At least you're studying. Mas importante, guys, yung nag-aaral kayo and makakagraduate. So, hindi na nagmamatter yung school. Kasi parang nagkaroon ng stigma na kailangan sa university para matanggap agad sa work. It's not working like that anymore. Pero, depende siguro sa company. Pero yun nga, guys. Ang mahalaga is skills nyo pa rin. And yung knowledge sa inaaral nyo. So, ayun. Share ko lang. Kasi may tanong sa akin sa IG story nun. I'm already done with my blush and nakapaglagay na rin ako ng Aegusal. Ika-curl ko lang yung lashes ko, guys. And then, maglalagay ako nitong Idol Series Lashes from Eliza brand. So, ayan. Nabili ko to from TikTok shop. So, meron din naman nito sa Orange Up or sa Lazada. Ganyan. Ayan. I will link it down below. So, I'll be back, guys, kapag nalagay ko na siya. So ayun siya, guys. Nalagay ko na siya both eyes. So, na maglalagay na lang ako ng simple wing lang dito sa dulo. I'm also gonna tightline my eyes para hindi siya makeup. Quick lang. I'm using a brown shade from Pink Flash to, guys. And draw lang ako ng wing. Ayan, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm done. So, na maglalagay na lang ako ng glitters and then lippy. So, yung glitters ko is from Hamish. So, ito yung gagamitin kong powder. It's in the shade CL01. So, lalagyan ko lang ng powder yung nose ko para ma-highlight. Ayan. So, guys, nalobat yung camera. So, this is what my makeup looks like. Pag naka-phone cam, tutuloy ko lang yung pagpa-powder ko kasi na-cut siya dun sa camera. Don't forget your neck, guys. So, nang maglilipi na ako, so, tatanggalin ko lang tong lip product on my lips. So, yung lippy na gagamitin ko, guys. Napura na siya, oh. Ito kasi yung lagi kong ginagamit. It's from the Cinnamoroll collection ng Focallure. Ito yung lip cream nila in the shades 0R02. And guys, nalagay ko na yung lip product. So, napapatungan ko na lang siya nitong gloss. I'll be using the NU01 na shade. Ayan, nagamit ko na to before. Sa inner lang, guys. So, guys, mag-ID lang ako and then mag-glasses. So, this glasses is from J. Lobrera Optical Clinic. So, ang ganda ng frame ko dito, guys. And, naka-blue light lock na din siya. Hindi na lalong tataas yung astigmatism ko. This is the final look and I'm ready to go na. And then, yung bag ko, guys, na super cute. Ayan.